You should prepare the following tools. You can make the cardboard by yourself. For the size requirements of the cardboard, we recommend the following dimensions. Length is about 73.5 centimeters, width is about 11.4 centimeters. Unscrew the side screws of the fan. Take out the fan. Disconnect the communication cable of the fan 1, 2, and 3. Take out the fan fully. For internal cleaning, we recommend you to cut a cardboard and put it into the inverter to prevent dust from entering the interior of the inverter. Scrub the interior with a brush. Scrub the sides of the inverter with a brush. Scrub the bottom of the inverter with a brush. Use a blower to remove dust. After cleaning is done, remove the cardboard and pour out the dust. Clean the fan with a brush. Then clean it with a blower. After all cleaning is done, insert the fan into the inverter. Reconnect the communication cable. Please note the corresponding line sequence. Tighten the side screw of the fan. It is mandatory to clean the fan regularly. We recommend cleaning once a year.